Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete purchase history in Shopee. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first open your browser, type your country names and Shopee customer service. My country is Singapore, so I will type Singapore Shopee customer service and tap on search. Tap on this first link where it says Shopee Singapore Help Center. Scroll down, tap on email, tap here, select buyer. Here select general inquiries, write your name, put your email address here in the description right. Please delete my Shopee purchase history, tap on submit. If you don't want to email, you can go back and under email you will get the option to call. You can call directly and tell them to help. You delete your Shopee purchase history. So this is the way how you can delete purchase history in Shopee. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.